Hey, what's up YouTube? I have another knife review for you today out at the creek. This is the Cold Steel Lite. As you can see, it's got a thumb stud. Opens smoothly. The blade length is 3.5 inches. The steel is AUS 10A, and this is made in Taiwan. It has the famous Cold Steel triad lock. Okay, here it is cutting a few things. Got the strap material. Cold Steel usually gives you a very sharp blade. Went through that no problem. Just whittling on a piece of wood so you can see this cut something. Wow, it just cuts in really well. It's very sharp. Gotta love the triad lock. It just gives you such an advantage with Cold Steel folders. You know, the strength of the lockup. It's also a slim design. So I hope you're all doing well these days. Today is a beautiful day out at the creek. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, but yet it was really cold last night, right? So it killed a lot of the mosquitoes and bugs got killed. They died screaming in the cold as they deserved. Yeah, this is just really sharp. Yeah, you could whittle just day-to-day tasks. Made a pointy piece of wood. The AUS 10A is really not bad for this price point. I remember when they used to use a lot of AUS 8A, and the 10 is an upgrade. Slim profile, easy to carry. This will slice, this will pierce. Yeah, definitely a simple and effective design, I would say. Alright YouTube, I got a piece of a box. Alright, so if you forgot your utility knife, want to use your folder, this would serve. Here it is in my front pocket there. Pocket clip. Seems to work well. Now when I first got this, I did the old paper test. Let me roll that in, and we'll get a weight on this knife, and then we'll be back. Nice. Yeah, it has a pretty high degree of initial sharpness, definitely. Now the handle material on this is G10. By the way, let's get a weight on this. What do we got? 89.3 grams. Let's change the unit. And 3.15 ounces. It is slim, and it is light and easy to carry. It's just so easy to carry. You're not going to feel it. I mean, I'm out here with literally like a 10-pound scoped rifle, all my camera equipment, a backpack full of knives, and a hatchet. So I'm not going to feel this super light knife. Yeah, ultra light. I see where they're going with that. Ease of carry. I like it. Opens very smoothly, locks up securely. It's not too big and it's not too small. Right, it's big enough to get some real work done. Yeah, this is a good idea. I mean, with Cold Steel, you know, the extra large folders get all the glory, but this is a workhorse, right? They're mid-sized folders. This is a workhorse for the working man.